As a person, I do believe that mindset is a backbone of all successes. Everyone who becomes successful in any field, the mindset of that particular person was well positioned. We cannot ignore the fact that every field has its own problems. Every field has its own setbacks. The impatience that people may experience. You as a person have been patient with the results because you have conceived way before. So that is why I always say mindset, it's the beginning of every successes, because it always starts in the mind. What the mind of a man can conceive and believe, the mind of a man can achieve. You associate with the caliber of people that goes along with what you want. We are shaped by the books that we read. We are shaped by the people that we associate with. We are shaped by the experiences that we have passed through. If you are not happy with the fruits of any particular plant, of any particular living tree, go and change the roots. Because the only way to change the fruit is to change the roots of that plant. So the only way to change your results is to change the inner part of yourself. The only way to change their results is to change the mindset. The way to change your mindset is to change your association, is to change the way you look at things, is to change the things that you read, is to change the things that you watch, is to change the things that you allow yourself to listen to. There is a saying that desire is a key ingredient of life. Your desire is the key ingredient of life. So the only way to change your life is to change the mindset. If you are looking at this direction, it's because your mindset is looking. Because I do believe as human beings, we are living in different worlds.